Release pressure slowly by depressing the stem valve a fraction at a time while pointing the can away from people and ignition sources. To relieve pressure from a mistakenly overfilled aerosol spray can, first move outdoors or to a well-ventilated area and put on chemical-resistant gloves and safety goggles and a respirator rated for organic vapors if available. Hold the can away from your face and body and make sure no open flames, hot surfaces, or electrical sparks are nearby. Use a small flat tool or the tip of a screwdriver only to press the stem valve gently and briefly, allowing short bursts of gas to escape and pausing between pulses so the can and propellant cool and stabilize. Keep the release angle so expelled vapors disperse into the open air and step back after each small depression to assess pressure reduction. Never puncture, crush, or heat the can because that will risk a rupture. If the valve is stuck or the can becomes hot or deforms, stop and move a safe distance away and contact your local hazardous waste or fire department for guidance. After pressure is reduced, store the can upright in a cool place away from sunlight and check the product label for manufacturer disposal instructions. Common problems include pushing the valve too far or holding it down, which can dump a large volume of propellant at once and increase inhalation and fire risk. So only use short taps and pause between releases. Trying to puncture or vent the can with a nail or drill often leads to explosive rupture, so avoid penetration and instead use the stem valve method or seek professional assistance. Working indoors without ventilation causes vapor accumulation and irritation or asphyxiation, so always move to outdoor open air and keep others upwind and at a safe distance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project listings that make it easier to find someone to help after a pressurization mistake. We also host a discussion community where our users share real-world tips and experiences about safe handling, disposal, and emergency steps, so our members can learn from each other.